Alright, that's the waterfall. I've climbed up near it onto a very high ledge. It's very steep. I'm going to try and climb up there and see what's behind the waterfall. So all the way up here. Yeah. Looks like other people have been here before because there's a type of a trail. So I'm assuming this leads to an area where you can view behind the waterfall. I've never been all the way up here because you have to go off the trail and climb a ledge. I had to climb up all of that to get here. Alright, there it is. I'm at the top of the waterfall. You can kind of see it there. Oh boy. I'm up pretty high. Whew. And I'm on a very jagged rock.